On June 15, Whimsicraft Season 1 ended. And with that and with all that beauty, my redstone computer and my base also ended. I know the season is already over, but I still want to show some things that I couldn't show before the season ended because I was stressing me out about finishing this thing. And let's first of all show a simple demonstration program. So I'm here not on the Whimsicraft server, I'm on a private creative world, and I have tick rate set to 200, so the game is running 10 times faster as normal, and I have loaded a little line drawing program into the computer, everything to the right from this clean stone. It's very simple and I will show it now. Okay, now let's run it. It should draw a line with the length of the input I'm giving now. So hopefully if I input 6, there should be a line of length 6 printed onto the display. Yeah, okay. As you can see, there is a little bug. I played with this here and I think what goes wrong is, yeah, exactly. I moved this line and now it's jumping. I think this here could fix it. Okay, I have to stop the program. Perfect. Stop. Reset the program counter, this thing here. And now if I restart the program, hopefully everything works. Now let's input the 5. So 5 pixel from the left on. 1 pixel, 2 pixel. Yeah, I see. Okay, I moved the thing to the left, so the jump instruction has to jump 1 further and not 1 less. Yeah. You see, it's not perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just marking that right now, so it shows the right result later. Okay, deactivate. Reset program counter. And hopefully now it works. Let's go. Only those 5 pixels should be activated. Ah, yeah, sure. It's waiting for input. Let's give it a 5. Reset done. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now it should stop. Perfect. It doesn't work. Okay, in register 3, which is this, there should be stored the value 5. The branch equals, which is the 7 here, compares register 3 with register 2 and jumps to register 5. Register 5 is set here with the reset of the program counter. Have I destroyed something here? No. So why are you still continuing drawing the line? This here happened because I unloaded the display while flying over there, and then bad things happen. So this register should currently why is this not counting up but stuck? This part here is counting up. Okay, maybe the branch equals is wrong. Oh yeah, of course. I'm doing some crazy number magic here, and basically to print a pixel, normally you would take one register for the x coordinate and the second register for the y coordinate. I chose to only use one register, and the first 6-bit are y, and the next 6-bit are x. So with the input requesting, I'm only requesting I have to shift the input 6 times and then also add the y coordinate to it. Okay, let's stop the computer and quickly adjust the code. Okay, already reset, so later I don't have to come back here. Okay, this line here requests the input. So after the input is requested, let's make some space here. This inputs need to be shifted, and then also there has to be added some stuff. The y coordinate has to be added. And I guess that's on a 4 right now, so 0, 0, 1. So I need 2 empty spaces. for that. Let's move this by 4. Perfect. Okay, shifting is, as you can see here, number I want to shift left. That's number 4. Okay, I want to shift by 6. So I actually, let's undo it and move it 6. I have to load first to value 6 into a register. And what register is currently free? This is an absolute mess. Here, number 5. Number 5 will be loaded later anyways. Okay, so let's set this to 6. This is the read character. Let's set it to 6. And then shift left to first, oh, I misplaced this. Shift left by, okay, I forgot to set that it is loaded to register 5. And like that. Shift left logically by register 5. Here comes the register that should be shifted. Okay, so I would now have to shift register 15, but this isn't perfect because, yeah, the registers are built, oh no, not perfect. So there was actually a bug where the last registers are not handled like they should be. Okay. This load 6 for shifting by 6. Then, okay, I actually need one more space. I have to set the Y coordinate too. Okay, load. I want 4 to be stored in register 3. And okay, 4 in register 3. Load 6 into register 5. And here add register 15 and register 0. Okay, what is actually this thing here doing? This is adding register 15. This is not needed anymore. Okay. Load. This is the Y coordinate. Then register 15 is added to register 5 and stored in register 5. This here loads 6 into register 6. Then it shifts by register 6. Register 5. And stores the result in register 5. So it's placed. Okay, and now finally register 5 can be added to register 3. Yeah, register 3. Register 5 added to register 3 and stored in register 3. Okay, hopefully I haven't made any mistakes. If so, I think I don't know what I will think. Okay, input. I will see if it's working. I don't have to mind about it. Reset. Ah, yeah. Okay, the old problem. It's jumping to the wrong place now, of course, because I changed a lot in the code. I really should have worked with labels, but that would have been so much effort. I wouldn't have finished in time. Okay, where does it have to jump now? And where does it belong? Okay. 2, 3, here. Jump. This here is 10. A 10 is clear screen. Okay, it should jump here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Jump to 12. 1, 2, 4, 8. So let's add 4. And now, hopefully, please work. I want to finish this project. 5 pixels, please. Clear the screen. Nice. Print the pixels. Okay. Interesting. It stopped. Let's dive into it. Register 3 should now... Okay, register 1, 2, 4. That worked. And why isn't there anything else? Good question. So I think the problem could be that the thing got shifted. That for some reason the shifting causes some problems. Shift by register 6, register 5, and store in 5. In register 5 is stored. No, this is added. Register 15 to register 5. Let's do this step by step. Okay, reset. Deactivate the program counter. And activate. Set to 1. 2, 3, and get the input. 5. Okay, maybe let's do this a bit more easy. Slash set block air, copy, paste. Okay, now line 4 is in an infinite loop. And it loads to register 3, a 4. Register 3, a 4. And enter register 15, our input. The number 5 should be stored, yes. It's stored there. So everything works fine. The next thing is to add. So register 15 should be transferred into register 5. Let's give it a try. Does it work? 5. Yep. The 5 was successfully transferred. Okay, now 6 should be loaded. Into register 6. And the 6 is here. Perfect. Now the shifting should be done. 4 by shifted by 6, register 5, stored in 5. And in register 5, okay, I think here already is the problem. For some reason the shifting isn't working. Let's go back one step. And another step. And perfect. The addition should now happen again to register 5. And the 5 is in here. Okay, so let's change the result of the shifting to register 4. So register 5 isn't overwritten every time. Okay. Load, shift. Okay, register 4. What is stored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so shifting worked. Let's go back 1. And I take a copy of this command block and maybe it works now, maybe just for some reason the register was. Okay. I think at some point some projects have to be left behind. Yeah. At least I have a very big client drawer now. Okay. No, this is not the only thing this thing can do. There are many other functions that actually really work. For example, let's remove this. If I type slash clear and press enter, the display is cleared. Magic. And if I type slash write and press enter, the display changed to writing mode. And I can now type stuff like, yeah, okay. I can now type stuff, and if I deactivate this here, this is an automatic reset that was very useful for debugging, but for writing it is actually very bad, so I can write hello. World. And hello world is written onto the screen. Okay. I can now press desktop and then I can press slash clear again and press enter and everything is cleared again. So the main idea of this was to write some more complex programs, but there were always some bugs in this and it was really hard to fix those bugs in survival. And so it is finished with some bugs. I am 100% sure you could now also write this line drawer and make it working. But you have to be very careful that you only use register 1 to 5, which I'm currently not but I really have no time for this project left. And building a redstone computer in survival is just a nightmare. So yes, there's so much inefficient and buggy, and the biggest mistake, but also the most lag friendly, is that I used Insta wires with rails to send signals. The problem is, if you unload them, or if the server is not perfectly performing, they can get stuck. So 50% of the time your program is running fine, and the other 50% of the time there are some random bugs. Okay, with that being said, I think that was the last episode trying to bring this computer here to life. It's living 80%, but 20% are dead, and more than that. And yeah, it was a really cool project. I think I now understand much more how computers work. And see you in the next video.